What's up guys, welcome back to IFIXTech. Today we have the Douxlife gaming chair. After taking everything out of the box, this is all the components that you will find. Following the manual, let's put everything together. Installing everything was very easy. It just took me like 10 minutes. And to be honest, this gaming chair is really nice. It's beautiful. I mean, this purple with black is a beautiful combination, but they have a lot of different colors that you can choose. This gaming chair feels really solid. So my honest opinion, I love it. It is beautiful and it's very comfortable. But this gaming chair has a little secrets. When we turn it around and look at the back, we'll see a lot of cables and connector. What's that for? Yes, you guessed it right. This gaming chair also has massage. And on the control, we can see the different massage options we can get. But we're gonna test that later. Something else I love is the attention to details. Every seams on this chair looks very premium. Use this lever to recline the chair. It can lay completely flat. And this is the one you use to raise or lower it. Okay, back to the massage part. We're gonna connect it and hear how it sounds. On the control, you can choose where on your body you want the massage and also the type of massage. I know you will say that it's very loud, but remember what? Nobody's sitting on the chair. Once you sit on it and you start getting your massage, you won't even hear anything. Let's go through the different massage types. This chair, you're gonna find 7 different points of massage, so you can select between pulse, press, wave, auto or normal massage mode. Also, you can change the intensity of the massage. Let me tell you, it feels really nice. Also, looking around it, I found this retractable footrest, and I believe this is a cool function. This is how the chair will look like when you recline all the way down. I'm not really sure why someone would like to use it this way, but at least you have the option. Okay, let's try to recline this back. This is the lever that you should use, and just be careful. Make sure you always put support on the back before you do it. Also, you have the option to remove the lumbar and also the neck support if you don't like to use it like this. The chair can support up to 400 pounds. I think that's good. I've been using it for about a month now and I have no complaints at all. I love it. If you like it, I will leave the link down in the description, and if you apply the IFIXTech coupon, you will get a 35% discount. I'll see you in the next video.